Hello all, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanchi silks. In today's episode, we have some hand-picked collection with a price range around 13,000, but watch till the end in order not to miss some exclusive huge offers of 30% on few. Million Designs curates the best online shopping experience pertaining to all age groups. Buy our intricate collection of sarees where each pixel is handcrafted to perfection for you to steal the spotlight. Now let's begin. Our first designer piece is this charming yellow with grey combination. It has got a very unique and richly woven pallu as well as border. That is the blouse piece. Each saree in this video is priced at 13,200. Next comes this very richly woven tissue kanchivara with floral pattern and rich golden zari woven on the pallu. This is the close view. This beautiful saree is also priced at 13,200. Our next saree is this purple with grey combination, peacock motifs on the body and contrast blouse piece. A very richly golden zari woven on magenta. A pretty saree, richly woven with full of golden zari on the dark background of magenta. This is the pallu. Next is this tissue kanjivaram in pastel shade. It has got antique zari weaving of birds and floral patterns on the body and silver zari woven on the pallu as well as the borders. This is another pastel with full silver, very intricately woven floral patterns all over the body and rich pallu. This is the reference pic of the same saree. Next is another richly woven golden zari checks pattern in anams on the body and rich traditional borders. This is the pallu. This is the reference pic of our next saree with the white and red combination tissue kanjivaram, intricate floral pattern all over the body. All these sarees are priced only 13,200, which are currently on offer. On top of these offers, we also have exclusive 30% offer on few of them, which you can see at the end of the video. To place the order on any of our sarees, please send us the screenshot of it to our WhatsApp number 70108 30303. Being the festive season, the sarees are getting booked really fast, so please send us the screenshot as soon as possible if at all you love any of them. This is another pink golden kanjivaram. The market price of this is above 17,000, but currently this is an offer price of 13,200 only. This is off-white creamish kanjivaram full of silver zari woven. This is the reference pic of the saree, a beautiful elegant piece. Next is the pretty pink with the leaf buttas, rich golden woven all over the body. Next is the peachish pink, very richly woven with golden zari, a grand one, a bridal piece. This also is only priced at 13,200. These sarees are on offer currently and last only till end of this month. This is a very beautiful pastel green with silver zari woven on the body and golden zari on the borders and pallu. A contrast combination. This is a very unique kolam woven work on the body. Kolams woven in the checks pattern and golden zari on the body. This is our next unique piece in contrast color combination, sky blue with red. So actually teal blue with red. Yeah, this is the close pic. Same design pattern with pink and red combination. Rich silver zari woven on the body. This is the reference picture for the color combination. This is the close pic, a beautiful zari. Next sari is this peachish pink with purple combination. Silver zari stripes all over the body and traditional borders on the purple in silver zari. This is the reference pic of the sari. Same color combination, that same sari. Contrast blouse piece. Next is a beautiful masterpiece in pastel colors. It has got antique zari weaving all over the body and a very unique design on the borders. This is the open picture of pallu border, and this is the close view of the intricate work done on the body. Next is tissue kanjivaram, a richly woven golden tissue with a pink pinch on it. This is the blouse piece, and here is the rich woven pallu. A beautiful bridal collection. Next is Vanasingaram, woven intricately all over the body on the yellow and the contrast pink pallu. This is the blouse piece. Orange and pink combination. This is red with silver checks pattern, another checks pattern on this silver zari and gold combination. This is the peacocks and annams. Each saree is so unique and beautiful. Please send us the screenshot if you want to get more pictures of any of them. A beautiful sea green with gold combination. Richly woven brocade pattern on the body and traditional borders. This is the open picture. And this is the blouse piece. You can as well complement it with contrast combination blouse too. This is another golden and silver zari combination. A lovely combination in pastel. Birds and florals woven on the body with silver zari, and pallu and the borders are in golden zari. A perfect balance of gold and silver. This is the closer picture. Next comes our much awaited offer sarees. This is our new norm for a wedding and the lockdown offers are here. A bright green with pink combination. It has got zari motifs on the body and richly woven big border on the bottom side of the saree, priced at 11,500. The zari grade is pure gram, 1 gram gold used. Next is this beautiful lavender with red combination with a very huge border, priced at only 10,999. With a bright Rani pink with purple combination, this saree is only priced at 11,500. Next is this candy pink and multicolor border with stripes pattern. A very unique saree. It has got tree and birds motifs on the body. A very unique motif style. And last one is parrot green with intricate richly woven body. This saree is only priced at 9,500. Subscribe to our channel now to get daily updates of pure Kanchipuram silks from Million Designs. Thank you.